Yo, what's up today, everybody? How's it going? It's your boy Frame Codes. I'm back with another video. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you guys how to code a very basic teleport pad on Roblox Studio. If you guys don't know, it's basically a pad that you step on and you're going to be teleported to another pad that I'm personally going to make invisible. You do not have to do this, of course. You can do whatever you want. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So first things first, what we want to do is we want to go to our workspace, which I am already in, but make sure you are, and insert a part, scale it so it looks enough like a pad. So this looks enough like a pad. I'm personally going to color it green. I'm going to, of course, anchor it. I'm keeping can't collide as true, of course, and name this part your teleport pad, because this is what I want my players to step on. Okay, now we're going to duplicate this. I'm going to bring it all the way over here so that it's kind of relatively the same size. Doesn't matter though. This one is going to be our teleport destination. So name it your teleport destination. Doesn't matter the color you put it as. If you do want your teleport destination, which is the place that players will be teleported to be a specific color, that's by all means. That's totally fine. But personally, I don't want it to have any color. I want it to be invisible. I don't want players to know where they were teleported, because when they get off the platform, it kind of insinuates that they can step back on and teleport back to the original pad, but I don't want that, okay? But make sure you set can't collide as false, okay? And I'm going to set my transparency as 1. Again, you can set it as like 0.8. You can set it as very close to 1 if you want it to almost be transparent, but I just want it to be fully transparent, okay? So here's our teleport pad. Make sure that's anchored for you guys, and also make sure your teleport destination is anchored. Beautiful. Inside of our teleport destination now, it's very important that we insert a script. My apologies. Inside your teleport pad, script. Yeah, so go to your teleport pad. I got confused there. Go to your teleport pad, insert a script, call it your teleport pad script. Yeah, do not put it in your teleport destination. That's my bad. And what this is going to be is this is going to be the brains behind the operation. This is literally going to be what gives players the ability to step on the green pad that I have already put out there, and it's going to teleport them to the invisible one that I created. But again, if you did not create it to be invisible, that is totally fine. It's honestly all your prerogative. Alright, so now that we have our teleport pad script, which is very easy to make, again, I will keep it there on the screen for those of you who want to just take a picture of it maybe and want to just make sure that they wrote everything right, to make your code work, and make sure it is under your teleport pad. So, there is your teleport pad script. I'm going to step on this and I'm going to be teleported. As you can see, I know it looks like it just disappeared. Again, it didn't really. I'm just being teleported over there. Again, as you can see, I'm being teleported. And I can be teleported anywhere on the map. Honestly, I could drag this all the way, all the way out there. But obviously, just for this demonstration's purpose, I want it to be relatively close in proximity, because I just want to be able to go back and show you guys how it works. And this time I'll make it red, and I won't set transparency as being any color, just because I want to show you that it does work, and again, that I am being teleported accurately. So, as you can see, and the reason it looks like I'm syncing, by the way, is because I have set can collide is equal to false. Again, don't do that if you are going to keep it non-transparent. So all you got to do is go to can collide, set it as true, play it again, and boom. See, you are standing on top of this. You can even raise this up. You can raise it up here. You can raise it up anywhere. The choice is honestly yours. If you want it to be some kind of thing where players go here, then they do an obby, and then you can integrate some other cool stuff that I've taught you, by all means, please do that. It gives some extra cool kind of edge to your game. And the beauty about this is that make it big enough so that when the player spawns, they actually can stand in the middle. You don't want your player to be falling, because that would just be horrible. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video on how to make a teleport pad, please do consider leaving a like, subscribing, and commenting what else you want me to do. I try my best to do stuff that is, relatively basic. It's not too hard, not too easy. Just enough to kind of get you started on your coding journey as you make your own games that will eventually be, on Roblox. And so yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.